Oh, all of these lies that fill up my mind, I can't escape them, I can't escape them. I need new life, a place I can hide, to help me escape them, help me escape the poison inside.
Yeah, I do relate. Things don't go the way you think they should, then you start to lose your faith. Wonder what you'd ever change if you could go back. Caving under pressure, causing questions that you'd never ask. That's a long path down the wrong road, leaving room for the doubts. Feed my soul to the crows. Another lethal dose, get addicted to the pain. We get caught up in the web, get the venom to the brain. Yeah, you ain't good enough, you'll never be. This is why they left. You the fakest of them all, who you living to impress. You don't really have nobody, they don't hear you when you speak. And it's happiness is something that you'll never get to reach. Why we do it to ourselves? Maybe we can come together, share our struggles, keep it honest. I just know we can do better. We can listen to each other, take a step outside our minds. We can lift each other up and put an end to the lies. Hold up.
That fill up my mind, I can't escape them, I can't escape them. I need new life, a place I can hide, to help me escape them, help me escape the poison inside.
We make it out like all these other people got it going up. We don't know the half of it, only what they showing us. Then we see the damage that we took when we were growing up, and use it as excuses for the image that we won't become. Ay, then we start to believe it, start to back it all up with a lack of achievement. But I know you can beat it, you ain't ever defeated. You just gotta find a problem if you ever wanna treat it. If it's possible for me, then it's possible for you. Every lie gon' fall to the light of the truth. I got help in my sight, I got hope through the roof. Let me take a step back, I'ma shoot. This is my mind, my heart. These are my thoughts, I won't let you tear apart. We can take it back, every flame was a spark. And at any given time is the right time to start.
All of these lies that fill up my mind, I can't escape them, I can't escape them. I need new life, a place I can hide, to help me escape them, help me escape the poison inside. I said, pretty little mama, you really got me torn up, making young and wanna pour up. You the one I wanna call up. I said, pretty little mama, you really got me torn up, making young and wanna pour up. Hey, yeah, sipping on the double, got me mixing up the trouble. Girl, it's for us. Why you got me singing on the chorus? Yeah, it's only 8 o'clock, this shit'll warm up. Still be yelling, welcome to the come up. She'll be chasing money till the sun's up. Sniffing on the gram. If you ain't got no Benjis, you ain't got a chance. Dropping when she dance, toss you back a glance. Tossing up her hands, got you in a trance. A pretty little mama, you really got me torn up, making young and wanna pour up. You the one I wanna call up. I said, pretty little mama, you really got me torn up, making young and wanna pour up. You the one I wanna call up. Yeah, call her for the night show, got the nice flow. Girl, you know I never set the sights low, yeah. We don't need a plan, we'll see where life goes, yeah. We been catching feelings, hard to fight those, yeah. Hey, I remember when I could not do like any wrong. Yelling, fuck the people that won't let you on. Yelling, fuck the bitches that'll let you on. You said, boy, you deserve a better one. Demons coming at me, but I never run. Pressure on my shoulders and it weigh a ton. In my heart of hearts, I think that you're the one. Till that day comes, it's a pretty little mama. You really got me torn up, making young and wanna pour up. You the one I wanna call up. I said, pretty little mama.